that you can request some basic statistics is to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then Frequencies. This will pop up this dialog window, and you can add any variable into the variables box. These are the variables for which the statistics will be requested. And then in statistics, you can essentially click off anything that you're interested in. By default, I suggest clicking off mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, skewness, and kurtosis. Then you can press continue. And in frequencies, you have the opportunity to choose either a bar chart or a histogram. For a bar chart, that is for nominal or ordinal data, and histograms are for continuous data. So because we're using final percent grade, I'm going to click off histograms. Then you press continue. And in the format menu, this allows you to choose basically the order of the table that's going to pop out from SPSS. For now, we'll leave that as default. Then you press OK, and SPSS will give you this output. So at the beginning here, we have basic statistics. We have the number of scores that have been used to calculate the statistics. So there's 105 scores and 0 people are missing data. And then we have the mean, median, mode, and basically all of the things that we've requested in the options box. It'll output this table here, which is a frequency table. And one thing to keep in mind is that if there is more than one mode, SPSS will only show one in the statistics box. In order to verify that there is only one mode, then you will have to use the frequency table to figure that out. And at the end, we have our histogram of the data.